GM has just suspended the sale of Camaro SS, Camaro ZL1s, and ZL1LEs. Holy crap, guys. What's going on, guys? Matt over here, Lethal Garage, and this is breaking news per se, coming straight from GM Authority and getting word direct from GM confirming the potential issue. Camaro SS, the base model, the 2SS, the ZL1, and the ZL1 1LE have literally just been suspended in both California and Washington for almost all of 2021, it seems like. No more new models can be ordered from GM's factory. So what does that mean? Oh, there's a lot to button up here. So if there's cars already in California or Washington that are an SS, 2SS, ZL1, ZL1 1LE with 2020 or 2021, they can be sold. Those cars on the lots can be sold, no problem, ifs, ands, or buts. But that's it. Dealers can no longer offer or order any new Camaro SS, 2SS, ZL1, ZL1 1LEs in California or Washington because of what is seemed to be the composite brake or makeup or copper, something to do with that nature in the brake pads. And because of that, GM has basically stated those specific models will not be on sale in California or Washington until the 2022 year. Now, this is good news. They basically just confirmed that the Camaro is going to continue to be sold into 2022. So that's awesome. But the downside is one of their biggest markets in California can't sell their top build cars. Now you could still get an LT1, it seems. That wasn't on the list unless GM Authority forgot to ask or they didn't respond because maybe they forgot the LT1 has the V8. So you can still get a V8 motor technically in California, but you cannot just go into a dealer and be like, hey, I want to go order a new ZL1. Or the dealers can't be like, hey, we have allocations for ZL1 and SSs. Let's order them so we have them on our lots. That's a big deal. I didn't do any digging on how many cars per month are sold in California and Washington combined, but I firmly believe California is probably one of their larger car markets. And I could be wrong. If you guys know those details or have seen those breakouts, I've never seen the breakout by state. It's always by country. But overall, the California, for the foreseeable future until 2022 model years start coming off the line, will not have SSs, 2SSs, ZL1s, or ZL1 1LEs because of brake pads. That seems like a huge miss. I wonder what has all of a sudden caused that. Did some law change or something come into fruition that no one's aware of? I mean, is GM the only one? GM's not the only one running Brembos. Do they run a specific pad or compound that's specific to GM vehicles? I don't know the answers to these questions. I'd love to. I'm going to start digging into this, see if I can find out more information. But like, seriously, no higher ticketed V8s, fully loaded V8s, ZL1s, etc. are available in the state of Washington or the state of California starting now. If they're on the lots, you can snag them up now, but if they're not there, they're not coming until model year 2022. So that's the news. That's some crazy news. But thanks for checking out the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. California is always rolling out new laws and stuff, so I'm gonna see if I can figure out what is driving this. I don't know if I will be able to, but I'm gonna try. We'll see. We'll find out. But until next time, guys, see you on the road.